What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your headlights. If you have a foggy headlight like this, I'm going to show you a simple trick to clean them and leave them looking like this. And we only need 2 items. It's very simple. I'm going to do it live so you can see it. I mean, not live, but in real time. The only thing you need is this scratch and swirl remover, a microfiber cloth, and a buffer if you don't have one. Go get one, they're pretty cheap. And like I said, I'm gonna do it in live time so you can see I'm not lying to you. Look, this one is pretty foggy. There is some condensation inside. Some of the water got into the headlight. But yeah, it takes no more than 2-3 minutes, and it'll leave them looking brand new. No need to change the headlight, buy a new headlight, buy all those expensive things to clean the headlights and whatever. This thing does the trick 100%, and I'm gonna do it in real time so you can see. Let me just set up real quick. You stay there, right there. Bam. Can you see that? All right. Now, very simple. You're gonna get your buffer. Put some of the stuff in there, just like so. Not much, you don't need much. And then you spread it around, soak it all in there. Am I recording? Yes, I am. All right. You can already see that it's working. This is super easy, super simple. It'll save you a lot of money. And it's super easy to do. As you can see, it's already working, but they gotta add a little bit more. Just a little bit more. So that should be plenty more. As you can see, all the yellow is gone. Now check this out, guys. Microfiber cloth, right? There's nothing on it. Look. It's just dirty that I cleaned out the headlight with. Nothing else in there. Check this out. And that's only with what? A minute of buffing? A minute, or maybe 2. But look at the difference. Remember how it was all yellow and nasty? Let's look at the other one. See? Beautiful headlights. No need to buy expensive treatments and spend all kinds of money. This thing is like about, I don't know, less than 10 bucks. Less than 10 bucks you get this. And the buffer, if you go to Walmart, I know that less than $20, but that's stuff that you're gonna be using all the time. When you wax your vehicle, when you buffer, you can use the same thing. All right, guys, and that's gonna be it for this episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. God bless.